Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a new locomotive has arrived, actually two of them. This is a Marx 6000 A and B unit. Now, I found this on eBay, and it was getting ready to expire with no bids on it. I made the guy an offer, and he accepted it. So I got them both for 20 bucks, so 10 bucks a piece. And just thought I'd do the grand unboxing and see what kind of condition this is in. Now, you can't tell a whole lot from a lot of the eBay photos, so it's always an adventure when a new locomotive arrives. Lots of paper, and there's one. There's two. All right, let me get this out of the way. All right, let's see what we have here. This is the dummy, of course. It has both of the horns, and it appears to be in fairly decent condition. Far from perfect, but there's no real damage. There's no rust. The couplers are intact. Actually looks pretty good. All right, now let's see what the locomotive itself looks like. And here we are, Marx 6000. So, motor turns really freely, no damage, no great amount of rust. This actually looks alright. Alright, so what I'm going to do is put a drop of oil on this and see if it will run. So let me grab my oil. I'm going to put a drop of oil on the output gear, small drop on the intermediate gear, and if I can reach it, a drop on the bearing for the armature. Alright, that should be sufficient. And I'll put this on, let's put it on rail 2 and see what happens. No idea whether this runs or not. So turn the power on and let's see. Whoops, wrong one. Let's go to rail 3. Alright, let's see what happens. Alright, it runs forwards, and it runs backwards. Alright, let me grab the camera off the tripod. So a Marx 6000 in fairly decent condition, as you see, with its original dummy. So let's get this on the rail. Now the coupler is bent a bit. Let's put this on top here. All right, we are on. Let's see if it runs with both of them on the rail. Getting some wheel spark, so the brushes are dirty, which is easy to fix. Alright, let's take it over to a consist and see if it will run around the rail. So, 20 bucks, a little bit of cleanup, and this is going to be a great addition to the collection. So, just put it on the consist. This is a Marx consist, about 10 cars, I think. Alright, let's see how this goes. And just came off the rail. It needs to be lubricated. It hasn't been run in a very long time, no doubt. But it is running, as you see. Needs a headlight. So, a bit of cleanup, and pull this motor out, lube it and tune it, replace the headlight. This is going to be a great addition to the collection. 20 bucks. So I figured that was a fair price, 10 bucks a piece. And like I said, a bit of cleanup, lubing and tuning, and this is going to be a great addition to the collection. It's in really decent shape. There's no great amount of rust on it, not a whole lot of play wear. As you see, got a couple of scuffs on it, but all in all, in fairly decent condition. It's got a couple of spots of rust here, but there's no great amount of damage. It's in fairly decent condition. And of course, best of all, it runs forward and backwards. So it was definitely worth 20 bucks. There's no doubt about that. So like I said, I just wanted to do a video on the grand unboxing. And I'll get this cleaned up, get some lubrication on the motor and the axles, clean the brushes, brush wells, and armature. And this is going to run really well. I have no doubt about that at all. Anyway, 20 bucks on eBay. Like I said, it was getting ready to expire. I had a couple hours to go. And no one had bid on it. So I contacted the guy and made an offer, 20 bucks. He accepted, and here it is. This was, I don't know, 4 days ago? Something like that. So, more than happy with it. Like I said, I get this cleaned up, lubed, and tuned. This is going to be a great addition to the collection. Marx 6000 A and B unit. 20 bucks. Really difficult to beat that. I've got another Marx set coming, which will be here in the next couple of days from eBay. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video on the unboxing of this 6000. Like I said, you never know what you're really going to get. The photos were actually quite poor. And just wanted to basically do the unboxing video and see what kind of condition this was in. But as you see, the horns are intact. And swing those around so they're both pointing forward. Get this cleaned up, lubed, and tuned. This is going to be a great addition. I'll probably add a traction tire. It really benefits to put a vinyl traction tire on the locomotives. It really increases what they can pull. But in the meantime, I'm going to pull the motor out. I got to replace the headlight and get this motor cleaned up, lubed, tuned, and we'll take it from there. But so far, so good. I'm pleased with it. 20 bucks, really hard to beat that. A lot of times you'll see the B unit by itself listed on eBay for 20 bucks or more. And for 20 bucks, I just couldn't pass it up. And like I said, I made the offer, and to my surprise, he accepted it. So it was definitely worth the 20 bucks, in my opinion anyway. Plus, I get the fun of pulling it apart, tuning it, lubing it, getting it running well. And like I said, I got to put a headlight in it. That one may be loose, but very likely it's burned out. It's probably the original bulb. Doesn't look like anybody's ever really messed with it. It's been sitting someplace for a long time. There's some oxide on the wheels. So anyway, I just want to do a video of unboxing the new 6000. 20 bucks on eBay. Best offer. He accepted. And here it is. Just arrived, and really looking forward to pulling this apart. Getting it running, lubed and tuned. This is going to be a great addition. It's going to be a lot of fun to do this. Anyway, I just want to do a quick unboxing video. It's always fun to get a new locomotive, especially something that you don't see very often for this price. I mean, I thought 20 bucks was a fair price for it. And like I said, I get the fun of taking it apart, cleaning it, lubing it, tuning it, and replacing that headlight. It's going to be a great addition to the collection. So just a quick video on the Marx 6000 A and B unit, eBay, 20 bucks. Best offer accepted. Anyway, I just wanted to do a video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.